Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 network adapter missing from Device Manager. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netcfg space, -d. Type exit and restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netcfg space, -s space, n. Find your network adapter name. Copy network adapter name and search driver. Download and install network adapter driver. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Select Network Adapters. Find your network adapter name, otherwise click Have Disk to browse drivers from manually downloaded. Restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery, click Reset this PC. Click Keep My Files. Click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.